Magnets are like magic sticks that can pull certain types of metal towards them. But how do they manage to do this? Let's explore the fascinating world of magnets. A magnet is an object that produces a magnetic field. This invisible force is what gives magnets their ability to attract metal objects, like iron. Imagine it as an invisible web that can grab onto certain metals and pull them closer. The most mysterious thing about magnets is the way they have two parts, the North Pole and the South Pole. They work a bit like an invisible fairy rope that can stretch across space. When you bring two magnets together, these poles either pull together or push apart. It's like they are invisible. Magnets work because of the tiny particles inside them called atoms. Each atom has an even tinier part, called electrons, zooming around it, much like how planets orbit around the sun. In most things, these electrons spin in all sorts of directions, cancelling out any magnetism. But in a magnet, these electrons are aligned. They all point in the same direction like a group marching in line. This creates a powerful force that can reach out and grab onto metals like steel or iron. This force is known as the magnetic field. Do you know that Earth itself is a giant magnet? Our planet has a magnetic field with a north and south pole. That's why compasses always point north. That's the Earth using its giant magnet powers to guide us. Experimenting with magnets can be lots of fun too. You can try placing a magnet close to a paperclip and watch it jump towards the magnet. Or, use two magnets and discover whether they attract or repel each other. With magnets, you'll always find a surprise and bit of magic in the air. So next time you pick up a magnet, imagine it as a clever little worker, busy spinning and pulling metals, all thanks to those tiny electrons aligned in neat rows. It might feel like magic, but it's just amazing science at work. Magnets show us how incredible the forces and powers existing in our world can be, making even tiny things like electrons create big impacts that we can see and play with.